Let's talk about 5 ways to sweeten the kitty to supersize and grow your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here with the Supersize Your Business for Female Entrepreneurs group. And today we're going to talk about the idiom or the expression loosely related to contribution with respect to how do we grow and build and supersize our business. Sweeten the kitty, of course, comes from games, gambling and games, primarily faro and poker. And it refers to the pot or the bank. Sometimes it was called a tiger or a kitty. And when you sweeten the kitty, you fatten up or increase the size of the pot, which encourages people to gamble more and also means that the payout would be, because the payout would be bigger, right? If you've got a bigger pot, more people want to gamble and participate with a chance to win that pot. Think of the lottery. When the lottery gets higher, millions and millions and millions of people buy a lottery ticket because they, even though their chances are not any better, they're probably worse of winning. The potential pot, the potential gain is much, much larger. So basically this idiom, this expression, sweeten the kitty, means to make something financially more attractive. So how can we do that? What are some ways? I'm going to share 5, and there's many, many more. Of course, there's infinite possibilities. How we can easily and effectively sweeten the kitty, make it more financially advantageous for the people that we're involved with in our business. From our partners and investors, how do we sweeten the kitty to encourage them to invest or partner with us in our business? By giving them part of the proceeds or the sales, or sharing our customer list or our customer base with them. There's a lot of creative ways to do that that don't necessarily entail giving them a percentage or an equity ownership place in the business. Although that's, when you're first getting started, a terrific way to get the key players involved in your business as well. Number 2, our customers. We can make special offers, and a lot of businesses, a lot of industries go immediately to discounting and sales and promotional schedules. But I say it's better to add bonuses and special offers to our core products and our core services than to be discounting all the time. Many different industries I've been involved in, from retail industries to really competitive things that went from being a specialized product or service to a commodity, because there was a war on price. And whenever there's a war on price, guess who wins? Consumers win, but anyone trying to be involved in that business generally loses. It becomes a race to the bottom of price. And if you are not the lowest cost service provider or supplier of a product, then you lose. There's no advantage to being second lowest priced, right? You might as well be the highest priced at that point. Thirdly, our affiliates, or people that we bring in to help us sell our products and services, we need to make we need to provide incentives and value and reasons for them to sell for our brand or share our brand and share our products and services and offers with other people. The online world has done incredible things for creating opportunities for individuals to be that middle person and make an incredible living by offering, promoting, selling, and sharing products or services. I think network marketing, I think online marketing, anyone with an affiliate program, you can make 20, 30, 40, 50, sometimes even 70 to 100% of the sales price of a certain item, usually an introductory product or service, because the company that offers that affiliation makes their money in the back upward high ticket sales. I think of ClickFunnels is a company I've been associated with a long time, and they have done challenges, one in particular called the One Funnel Away Challenge, where the cost was $100, but the person that promoted it got all $100, and then they made their money on the back end by selling higher priced items, tickets, and the subscription service to the ClickFunnels software. So our employees and our contractors, how do we make sure that we are financially creating things that are attractive for them? Well, we can have bonuses, we can have contests, we can have different incentive programs, maybe trips. A lot of companies offer trips to employees if they reach their goals or do a certain level of performance. And I would say that we make sweetening the kitty and encouraging people to be involved in our business a lot harder than it has to be. If we just treat people the way we want to be treated, with respect and love and appreciation, that's really the crux of what needs to be done. And it doesn't cost us anything to do that. It doesn't cost us anything to be a good human being and a good business owner and a good leader. It doesn't cost us anything to treat people with dignity and respect and the way we expect to be treated in any area and aspect of our life, but especially as we're building and growing and supersizing our business. So I'd love to know your experience with this particular idiom, sweeten the kitty. I don't know if I've ever said, I probably have. We probably had a casino night or something, a fundraiser, where I said, well, we need to sweeten the kitty, sweeten the pot. We need to provide more incentives. We need to beef up our offer to make it more appealing to the people that we're providing solutions to their problems for, etc., people that we serve. So share in the comments below if you've used or heard this expression, as well as how do you sweeten the kitty for the people that you interact with as a business owner. That's it. Have an awesome day. I will, of course, be with you tomorrow with another contribution-related idiom for the month of July. Have a great day.